Hi, so I'm going for a tech conference and here is what I'm going to carry in my bag. First is the bag, and this, the Women Tech Makers bag. I unboxed it here. If you didn't watch the video, please go to my YouTube channel and actually watch it. So this is the bag that I'll be carrying because I feel like it's big enough to carry whatever I need to carry today. My laptop, because I have to be an active attendee and practice what they say. Then secondly is my bag that carries all my other devices. So this is a plug, my earbuds, a pen, my adjustable phone stand, my keys, my prayer bead, mics for content of my hard drive. So all these go in this case, and so I'll also be adding my laptop charger, and my Type-C for my phone, and then this one for the hard drive, and lastly the plug, and then my universal travel adapter. So this is bag 2 in the main bag, and of course my headsets, because I have a meeting and I do not want to make noise for people, so I will have to carry my headset. Then power bank, just in case one of my phone blacks out, a case for my glasses that I'm definitely going to wear, then this for my toiletries. Let's see what's there. There is a mirror, dry tissue, wet tissue, a pen, lip balm, a sweet, perfume, and a hanky. So that's what is in here. And I will add my keys and my prayer bead, and now that's it. A mug, because I have to keep hydrating. A notebook, because I have to write down a few things. Then of course a wallet, because I have to move with both cash and my cards. My little phone, which will go in here, and my other phone, which will also go in here. This is all that I'm carrying. I hope I've not forgotten anything that I need to use. Oh, I think I've forgotten something. So I had forgotten my tag. I had left it on my other bag. So this is my bag tag. So I also have to add it. This is my bag for the day. Tell me, what do you normally carry whenever you're going for a tech event, and what do you think I've actually missed out on? Thank you for watching.